Now, INOORO TV's news anchor, Muthoni's time at Royal Media is over. Yeah, she has left INOORO TV. Now, announcing her departure, Muthoni, through her Instagram page, came through and shared this, and I quote, "My departure from INOORO TV, it's been amazing 5 years, but my journey at INOORO TV has come to an end. I want to thank you, my fans, my supporters, my friend, and everyone who has supported me during that journey. I'll miss you dearly. God bless you all. I believe when one door closes, another one opens. I'll let you know my next destination in good times. But in the meantime, we still get to catch up on my YouTube channel. God bless you all and thanks for the love." Yeah, that is what she went ahead and shared while announcing her departure from INOORO TV. And what could be her next destination? Well, obviously and most probably is Kameme TV. But then again, between Kameme TV and INOORO, which one is bigger? I think INOORO. So her moving from INOORO TV to another TV station is a turn off to many because she is loved. But what could be the reason why she left INOORO TV? Now, as much as she never came through and elaborated, from that small caption by her, you can tell the main reason for her departure is most probably the contract. Yeah, probably her contract with Royal Media came to an end, and INOORO TV were not willing to improve her deal or give her a better contract, and she decided to leave. Probably they did not want to renew her contract whatsoever. But why? And she has very many fans. Yeah, she is loved by very many people and she'll be missed dearly. To be honest, we'll miss some of the great moments like these with her colleagues at the workplace. So enjoy.
Shikorogera muduri abako kodenya na dhuri uratokira ke kapishina waru nagedufu asha we pilau
uhoro wanyu de haha na Muthoni wa MUKIRI.
Hamjambo, niko hapa na Mashirima Kapombe.
I want to ask you a question. Okay. Jera otiganu wa Mkamba na Mkamba.
Otiganu wa Mkamba na Mkamba. Otiganu ne ya mwisho.
Asha.
Tarena ne Mkamba inogene Mkamba.
Asha. Dereda. Ojere. Explanation.
Okay, Mkamba modo kana Mkamba adui. Okay. Yule Mkamba wa jana ndio yule. Yule Mkamba mrefu ndio yule pale.
Haya, tukutane saa moja. Mimi kwenye Citizen TV. Nipashe weekendi.
Muthoni INOORO TV.
Haya, see ya.
Haya wiko.
Indonesia ya INOORO TV, jitago Jeff Koinange.
Na niye jitago Muthoni wa MUKIRI.
Arimi kahua kuma dhodhaite ya Guguru. Mwena wa Kaharu Madera County ne ya Nyeri. Nima?
Ni maruruganire.
Maruruganire makiuga.
Ni
marareho kahua kau oru. Arimi acio maroiga matirareho mbeca iria maregereire. Mwandiki wito Martin Munene ena horo makiria.
Maya ni moro ma INOORO TV ni jitago Hassan.
Newe kama naone ndo wakunyitenera na ideni sitago Muthoni wa MUKIRI. Moro wa